Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and over here we do beauty related content, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look using a V-part wig from Nadula. So this hair is a 24-inch V-part wig, curly V-part wig from Nadula hair. And you know, Nadula hair, you can always trust them with the curly hair. The curls look beautiful. I feel like if I used a little bit more product, the hair would have been a bit more slick, but I didn't use any products, so it's very fluffy, very beautiful. And if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I have washed, conditioned, and also given it a few layers, so we're going to put it on and see. Also, I cut it a little bit further down so that it would lay better. Oh yeah, and this is my braid pattern. So I just did one like little bit of leave out and 6 chunky braids in the back. I know it probably doesn't look the best, but yeah, that's it. Okay, it looks pretty good. And let's try and blend the leave out. This is what I'm nervous about because my hair is 4C of course, so let's see what it says, let's see what it does. Honestly, it doesn't look so bad. I think it looks okay, but I definitely want it to be a lot more blended and a lot more styled. So what we're gonna do is, especially these pieces in the front, I'm gonna leave the pieces on the side because they're too short to really like have an impact anyway. All they're gonna do is cover up the place where the wig meets. So these pieces in the front. So I'm gonna take some Cantu coconut curling cream. I'm gonna put a little bit in the lid. I'm also gonna take some edge booster styling gel. So this is not the edge control, this is just the gel. It's got like a liquidy consistency, similar to the Eco Styler, but it's a bit less. It has less hold. It's more for styling than for like holding edges down or anything like that. And I'm just mixing the two together like this. So this is it all mixed together. I'm putting it in the lid. Then I'm going to take this section and so essentially what I did is I just twisted my hair into the wig, into the weave, and I just want to see what happens. So I'm just putting the rest of the curling cream into my roots so that everything kind of matches. So I'm just going to leave that for now until I do my makeup, and then we're gonna unravel them and see how it looks. But for now, that is it. So my makeup is on. Let's take out the twists. Hopefully, you know, they look good. I'm just gonna like pull my hair out. If possible. Pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Hard to tell where my hair ends and where the wig begins. Wow. I'm just going to use some gel to slick my hair back. So I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Booster, Edge Control. And this is my edge brush. I'm going to use this edge brush. Sometimes old edge brushes just work better. New ones just never stiff enough. yeah, this is where we're at, and this is the finished look. So if you like it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please leave me any questions, any compliments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next one.